Let's visit the trading hut. This doesn't look like the trading hut. Oh, wait. This is the new event. The hunting event. Apparently we can look for poppets. Woo! Back in action. Just got unbanned 1 minute ago. Well, let's go scam some fidgets. Okay. Let's look for some fidgets. Oh, it's a crab. They already found one. Let's go scam one before they get it. The glitter spaceman. I'll just go ahead and steal this. But I'm only going to be able to get one. Now let's play with it. Let me guess. I got banned. Okay, that's it. Next time I get banned, I'm hacking this. Huh? How did I get this one? Well, it was right there, but I didn't even grab it. There must have been a scammer that got it. Let's try not to step on these. Oh, there's a star. And there's a sunflower. There's a flamingo. Let's put these in the fidget box. My inventory's full. There. Now let's go find the last one. Or ones. This must be the last one. And it says that there's more poppets around here, but I don't see any more. Let's just check the leaderboard. Wow, I got 37. Kiddo 124 got 24. Sussy Boy I got 19. Toucan 14 got 29. He got 7. And the scammer got banned, so he has 0. Well, it looks like I'm the winner. That guy won last time. I'm not gonna let that happen in the next event. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this fidget skit, give this video a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.